Hello, today we will guide you through how to categorize bank transactions in QuickBooks. Let's start by opening QuickBooks and heading to your main dashboard. This is where you can quickly jump into the tools that keep your books up to date. Our focus is on getting your bank activity into the right categories so your reports, budgets, and taxes stay accurate and easy to understand. Next, move your mouse over the accounting section in the left-hand menu. Depending on your view, you might see it labeled slightly differently, but you're looking for the area that leads to your banking tools. Hovering there reveals options related to your accounts and transactions. Now click on Bank Transactions. This opens the banking page where you'll see the feed of transactions that have come in from your connected accounts. If you manage more than one account, make sure you're looking at the correct one along the top. The goal here is to review each item and put it into the right place in your books. Within this page, look for the area commonly labeled Match and Categorize. This is where QuickBooks helps you handle incoming items. You may notice that some transactions already have suggested matches to existing records like invoices or expenses. That's great, but for anything that needs your input, you'll handle it right here. Select a transaction that needs attention and click Categorize. This opens the details so you can make a confident choice. Think about the nature of the transaction. Is it a payment to a vendor, a subscription, a utility, or revenue you received? Clear categorization now saves time later and keeps your profit and loss accurate. Click the category dropdown. You'll see your chart of accounts categories such as various expense types and income accounts. Choose the option that best describes the transaction. If you're unsure, aim for the most specific, reasonable choice you recognize from your typical bookkeeping. Consistency matters. Use the same category for similar transactions over time so your reports remain meaningful. Once you've selected the appropriate category, review the details shown on screen, like description and amount, to confirm they make sense. Adding a brief memo can help future you understand the context at a glance, and keeping vendor names consistent can improve reporting clarity. Repeat this process for the remaining items in your feed. Over time, QuickBooks may improve its suggestions based on your past choices, which makes this even faster. That's it. You've categorized your bank transactions with confidence, setting the stage for accurate reports and easier month-end reviews.